Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are looking at one max Olympiad problem. If x is equal to a square minus bc, y is equal to b square minus ac, z is equal to c square minus ab, then what is the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz? What is the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz? So some logic is there, that's why this problem is selected. As you are going to solve this problem, before starting the problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. Will it really appreciate us to make more videos? More than 500 Olympiad problems are uploaded. Go through them. Thank you. Now let's solve the problem together. So here you have to find the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Already you know this formula. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to xyz into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So here for this another formula is also there. X plus y plus z into, here you can write it as 1 by 2 of x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Now replace the values in x, y, z in the second term. Half into, here you'll get a square, x value a square minus bc, a square minus bc minus b square plus ac whole square plus here second one b square minus ac plus sorry minus c square plus ab whole square plus c square minus ab minus a square plus bc whole square. Now here I am solving the first one, Nama. So here a square minus bc minus b square plus ac. I am going to solve here. Whole square is given now. Just I am solving this. A square minus b square plus ac minus bc. So this can be written as a plus b into a minus b plus a common sorry c common a minus b. From this two you can track a minus b common a plus b plus c are getting. Now I will substitute this value here. So x plus y plus z into 1 by 2 of this value are getting in this place. This value a minus b whole square into a plus b plus c whole square. Second one you will get b minus c whole square into a plus b plus c whole square. Third one you will get c minus a whole square into a plus b plus c whole square. So here x plus y plus z into 1 by 2 of, here a plus b plus c whole square is common now. So that I am writing a plus b plus c whole square into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. So here After writing this, sending 1 by 2 that side. Okay, next we'll substitute in this xyz. So here a plus b plus c whole square. Now half into this value. Starting we have written this half into this value will become a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This value is this half of a minus b whole square, b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. Now substitute the values in this xyz. A square minus bc plus b square minus ac plus c square minus ab. So here a plus b plus c whole square second term. So here what will get a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now this term and this term are same. So a plus b plus c whole square into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca whole square. Two times you are getting one time and this is second time. So this can be written as a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca whole square. So this formula what you are getting is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc whole square. So what is the solution you are getting? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc whole square you are getting. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.